friends at home also might have some problems. I know we have some problems around here. And you know what we do? We make a list. We make a list of problems to solve. So then we can look at them and see which ones we want to solve using our imaginations, maybe making some prototypes and maybe inventing something along the way. Not all problems need inventions. Some are quick fixes. But every now and then you can come up with a problem that you can create a unique, new solution that never existed before. And that's an invention. So come on and join me. Let's start a problems to solve list. Abby, she had a problem. What was Abby's problem? Do you remember? I'm going to put it up on the board. Abby, her problem was crayons break. So I'm going to write the number 1 up here. I'm going to write crayons break. Sometimes my pencil breaks. I'm going to use another color because I like to alternate my colors. To pencils break. And my awesome group of daisies, they were saying, and sometimes my pens break, and sometimes the color of my pencil, it starts off nice and dark, but as I keep writing, it fades, and then it's not as dark. And then someone in the group thought, need instantaneous that means it happens instantly. See, instantaneous translation. And I think translation. Or I'm just going to say instant translation. So those were some ideas we had in there. They had some other really interesting ideas, like the radiator made lots of noise, and it was distracting to have a radiator that makes lots of noise. Let's see. So noisy radiator. Now, like you guys, I'm at home with my family for a long time. And we're noticing and spending so much time at our house that our house has some problems. We found something happened for us in the past week, and that the electricity in our main hallway, it just quit working. And we went to check in the electrical box in the basement, and it wasn't the breaker. So we have to fix that. But since we're in this really interesting time in history, we can't have an electrician over, so we did a quick fix. We solved the problem, but not with an invention. But sometimes thinking to solve a problem is the same habit that inventors use. How do I solve a problem? So you know what we did? We went to the basement and we went in a bin and we found our holiday lights, and we strung our holiday lights in our main room. I'll show you. So here I strung up our holiday lights so that we could actually see in our hallway when it's night out, which it is right now. It's perfectly dark outside, but you can see me a little bit because we have the holiday lights up. This was a way to solve a problem. Now that I've shown you that, let's write it up. So I'm going to write lights not working. Okay, so now see if you can come up with at least 10 problems. That's the challenge, 10 problems to solve. Let me write the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See if you can get 10 problems to solve. See you tomorrow. Happy inventive thinking. I believe in you, young inventors.